Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching weekly stock market review with me, Takhmina Salomova. Used to close slightly higher last Friday, extending the winning streak to 6 days in a row and posting strong weekly gains. But the majority ended of the session highs after news broke that special counsel Robert Mueller indicted 13 Russian nationals and 3 Russian entities for allegedly interfering with the 2016 US presidential election. The Nasdaq Composite Index closed at 7,239.47. It ended up by 5.3% on the week, its best weekly percentage gain since December 2011. The Dow Jones Industrial Average settled at 25,219.38, with Pfizer as the best performing stock in the index. For the week, the Dow rose by 4.3%, its biggest once-week percentage advance since November 2016. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 index closed flat at 2,732.22. Utilities and healthcare were the best performing sectors. The S&P 500 gained 4.3% over the week, its best week since January 2013. American stocks closed sharply higher on Thursday. The Dow finished by 306 points higher, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq gained more than 1%. The indices also rebounded sharply from the correction levels seen the prior week. On February 8th, they closed by 10% below all-time highs set last month. In economic news, housing starts in the US jumped almost 10% in January, easily surpassing analytical expectations. At the same time, input prices gained 1%, while export prices rose by 0.8%. Consumer sentiment increased more than expected to 99.9 in February, the second highest level in 14 years, according to a preliminary reading from the University of Michigan. In corporate news, shares in Kraft Heinz sank by 2.6% on Friday as the food industry heavyweights fourth quarter adjusted per share earnings and sales came in below Wall Street expectations. Adjusted EPS of 90 cents missed the 95 cents forecasts. Sales of $6.88 billion were below the $6.91 billion consensus. Meanwhile, US Steel shares skyrocketed by 15%, while AK Steel Holdings climbed by about 14%. This rally took place after the US Commerce Department recommended tariffs on major metal imports, including a 24% tariffs on steel imports from all countries. You have watched weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable deals and see you later.